Hello and welcome to this YouTube tutorial on how to set up SharePoint Framework development environment. In this video, I will guide you through the steps required to set up and configure SharePoint Framework on your system. SharePoint Framework is a powerful tool that allows developers to create custom solutions for SharePoint Online and SharePoint on-premises. With SharePoint Framework, developers can create web parts, extensions, and other customizations that can be deployed and used by SharePoint users. Before we get started, you will need to make sure that you have a few prerequisites installed on your system. These include Node.js, Yeoman, and the SharePoint Framework Yeoman Generator. If you don't have these installed already, I recommend that you follow the installation instructions on the official SharePoint Framework documentation. Open SharePoint Development Environment Setup Microsoft page. First of all, you need to install Node.js into your local machine. Before installing Node.js, please ensure you are installing the right version. At the time of recording this video, we need to install Node 16 Galenium version. Open Node.js official website and click on Other Downloads link and click on All Download options. Please navigate to the Node 16 versions and download the Windows installable file. In my case, 64-bit installer required. Once the download is complete, install it. To verify the installation, you can find Node command prompt in the Windows. Next we need an code editor which supports client-side development to build the project. You can either install VS Code or WebStorm for your development. Since I already have VS Code installed, my machine skipping this installation. Now we need to install prerequisite Node packages for SharePoint Framework. Go back to the Microsoft documentation and install the given packages. Open Node command prompt and run the command. Wait until it is complete. Once you have these prerequisites installed, you can begin setting up SharePoint Framework by following these steps. Open a command prompt or terminal window or Visual Studio Code and navigate to the directory where you want to create your SharePoint Framework project. Create and open the folder. Run the yo command to create a new SharePoint Framework project. This will launch the SharePoint Framework Yeoman Generator, which will guide you through the process of creating a new SharePoint Framework project. You will be prompted to enter a name for your project, as well as other options such as the type of web part or extension you want to create. Once the generator has finished creating your project, it will install all dependency package to the project. Now run the gulp trust dev cert command to generate and install the development certificate for your development. This will download and install the development certificate in your machine. Finally, you can run gulp serve deprecated command to run the project. Wait until it completes build and ready for reload. Now open your SharePoint site and add _layouts, 15, workbench SPFx to the URL. It will open the development workbench page where you can add your web part and check. And that's it. You have successfully set up SharePoint Framework on your system and created a new SharePoint Framework project. From here, you can continue developing your custom solutions using SharePoint Framework and deploy them to your SharePoint environment. In conclusion, SharePoint Framework is a powerful tool that allows developers to create custom solutions for SharePoint Online and SharePoint on-premises. With the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily set up and configure SharePoint Framework on your system and start creating your own custom solutions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.